Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix login error on Hago. For that, first of all, open up your Play Store, search Hago on your search bar. When you are done, tap on the search icon which is on bottom right of your keyboard. There you'll see the app. Tap on it. Be sure that your app is updated. If your app is not updated, there you'll see the option of update. Tap on it and update your app. After that, open up your settings. Go to apps. Now select permissions. After that, tap on other permissions. Now search for Hago app and then turn on all the permissions. After that, go back to settings main menu and then select date and time. Turn on the network provided time and network provided time zone. You can also restart your phone if it's still not working. This way you'll fix login error on Hago. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.